Hi everybody! It's getting warm, my favorite season! This year, I'm gonna enjoy sakura with choux à la crème. The ingredients for choux dough are flour, eggs, butter, pinch of salt, granulated sugar, and water. The ingredients for custard cream are granulated sugar, 2 egg yolks and 1 egg, flour, pinch of salt, vanilla beans, milk. And this time I'm using Cointreau instead of Grand Marnier. But you can use any kind of brandy. First of all, making the choux dough. Put butter, granulated sugar, and salt in a pan. And add water to warm it up with medium heat. When the butter melts and started to boil, put the filtered flour. Quickly combine them really well. When the moisture disappears, remove the pan from the heat. And keep mixing them with 2 eggs first. Then, control the softness with the 3rd egg until it becomes nice and soft triangles. Like this. Put it into a piping bag and try not to put the air at the same time. Squeeze 20 grams each of the dough on the oil paper . And make them nicely round shapes with water. Put it into the oven with 200 Celsius. When the dough nicely rises, turn down to 180 Celsius and bake them until they get nice and crunchy. The baking time would be 25 to 30 minutes total. When they are baked, take them out on the rack to cool down. Next, put 2 egg yolks and the half of the calculated granulated sugar, salt, and filtered flour in a bowl. Then an egg. Mix them really well for making custard cream. Take the vanilla beans out of the vanilla stick. Add the other half of the sugar, milk, warm it up, and when you see the bubbles coming up, pour it in the egg mix. And combine really well. Then put it back in the pan through the strainer. And keep mixing, just as right in the number 8 with the spatula, so you won't burn it. It'll get thickened, and just before it gets boil, take off from the heat and keep mixing. And add Cointreau. Still mixing until it gets really smooth. When it's done, put it in a tray. Saran wrap on it and let it cool. When it's completely cooled down, put it into the piping bag. Finally, making choux à la crème. Cut the top of the choux with a bread knife. Then squeeze the custard cream. That's all. The other way of making it is make a little hole at the bottom and squeeze the custard cream through the hole. This is a better way to fill the custard cream for the small ones. You can also decorate with melted chocolate and many yummy stuff. Iただきます。You can also make them like eggs and decorate them really pretty. Then put them in an egg pack or in a basket. That could be for a happy Easter. And they aren't too sweet, so you can eat them as many as you like. I hope you're gonna have a great Easter with this choux à la crème. Thank you for watching. See you!